lovelies. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another interesting video. I will show you how to prepare Ghanaian salad. So when we make salad in Ghana, we use a lot of vegetables. The key ingredient here is the sardine. So this is sardine, and we use baked beans as well. Some people like to use corned beef, but personally, because of omega-3, when I'm eating, I look out for the nutritional value of the food. So let's get right into the video. So here I have my lettuce. All has been washed in salt water 4 times. These are my chopped onions. This I chop half size of an onion. This is red onion. You can use white one, but I love the red onion because of the flavor. So here I boiled 2 eggs, boiled and cut in pieces. So here are my avocados. So avocados are very rich in nutrients, and then therefore you will not go, if you don't like the avocado, you don't have to use it. Yes, but personally I love, and in Ghanaian salad avocado is a key ingredient. Here I have my chopped bell pepper. So this is the green one, and I love it because of the flavor. Okay, so avocados, and here I have my tomatoes. So some people wouldn't like to use tomatoes, it's optional, but I love vegetables, so I like to include tomatoes. So this is 1 whole chopped tomatoes, and this is 2 pieces of carrot. So I have here for the dressing, I have here olive oil and salt. This is only be, so I put the salt to infuse into the oil by the time I am done. So here is baked beans. You can have any baked beans of your choice, but I love Heinz baked beans because of where I am. So I really like this. So okay, so mind you, all these have been washed in salt water. They are clean and then fresh. So let's get right into the video. I will show you the process how to make this really easy and very tasty. So you can use this as sandwiches, or you can use it as rice, as a whole meal dinner, and with chicken. So I will show you different ways how to eat this salad. Okay, so here I have my bowl for my salad. So this has been sterilized. I put it in the microwave for a few minutes, a minute or 2. So these have been sterilized. My hands are properly washed, and then let's get into the video. So first of all, we're going to lay it by layers. So you can pick a bit of your salad for the lettuce, then you can lay them. So this will be the first layer. So the second one is to go in for the carrot. So we will put a bit of the carrots, the next will be to use the green or the bell pepper. So I have the bell pepper here. The next is to use cucumber. So I have here my cucumber. I spread all over. This is my cucumber. The next I will go in for my tomatoes. So I have here a bit of the tomatoes. Here I have the tomatoes, and then the next is to go in for my onions. So I have my onions here. I have my chopped onions here. The next layer is to go for the avocado. So let's put the avocado. That is nice and very, very buttery. So okay, so next we have some baked beans. This is hand baked beans. Okay, so we're gonna spread. Okay, and the next is our sardine. Okay, so let's spread it. Yes, okay, so this is the first layer. Okay, so let's go in for the second one. So let's go in for the second layer. So we have our lettuce nicely washed and fresh. Okay, so again the next is our carrot. So the next layer is our carrot. We have here. Okay, so the next will be our sweet or bell pepper. So I have a sweet or bell pepper. The next I'm gonna put the cucumber, spread all over the cucumber. Yes. The next is the cucumber. And the next is my tomatoes. So let's get some tomatoes. Okay, the next is my avocado. Okay, so let's put nice. Yes, okay. So the next I'm gonna put my onions. So I love onions. So you can put as much as you want, but make sure that the tastes are really blend together. You use the same equal amount of ingredients, that there's not too much onion or too much. So the next step is we're gonna spread our baked beans again on top. Yes, nice. Nice. And yes. And the last is our sardine. Okay. Okay, so here we have our Ghanaian homemade salad. Okay, so here for the dressing, I love always choosing healthier options. So I'm not gonna use any industrial mayonnaise or ketchup. So I have here olive oil and then infused in salt. So what I'm gonna do is to just pour it a little bit. Yes, just pour it a little bit. Yes. And that's it. We have a salad.